Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter that is cell, the unit of life. Starting with the first term, what is physiology? The term physiology means knowledge of nature. It means the dynamic study of life, the science of life. It describes the vital functions of living organism. The discipline of physiology has been closely intertwined with medicine. Cells are tiny units of life that are like specialized factories full of machinery designed to accomplish the business of life. There are two main types of cells, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotes are cells that do not have membrane bound nuclei, whereas eukaryotes do. The nucleus of Eukaryotes are enclosed by a membrane, while as the prokaryotes do not have membrane-bound nuclei. What does cell physiology deal with? The scientific study of physiological processes operating within and among cells, intercellular communication, behavior in the context of large system and whole organism. Now, what are the cell organelles? uh, that are membranous, and what are the cell organelles that are non-membranous? The membranous ones are nucleus, mitochondria, lysosomes, peroxisomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi complex. The non-membranous are ribosomes, centrioles, and basal bodies. The organelle and their function. Nucleus uh, help in the storage of DNA, while as the mitochondria help in the production of energy. SER help in the production of lipid, as well as it helps in the detoxification of toxins. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, protein production in particular for export out of the cell. Golgi apparatus is nothing but a protein modification. It does the protein modification and help in the export of that protein. Peroxisome help in the lipid destruction, contains oxidative enzyme and catalases as well. This is the diagram of a nucleus showing endoplasmic reticulum, both SER as RER, nucleolus, chromatin, nucleoplasm, nucleopore, nuclear envelope, and ribosome. Endoplasmic reticulum again help in the storage of calcium and protein synthesis. The difference between rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes in a beaded way, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum are free from it. Golgi apparatus. Golgi identifies the molecule and set it on of four paths: cytosol, cell membrane, secretion, and lysosome. Lysosome. Why do lysosome enzyme not digest lysosome? Because the lysosome are impermeable to digest it. And what are the functions of it? Or it helps in the breakdown or digestion of protein, cell membrane repair. When cell membrane is disrupted, it is sensitive to calcium influx, so it binds to calcium membrane to seal it. Responses against foreign substances such as bacteria, viruses, and other antigens. Peroxisomes. Approx 60 to 50 known enzymes are present in the matrix of peroxisomes. They are responsible for carrying out oxidation reaction leading to the production of hydrogen peroxide. The main group of enzymes include urease oxidase, D-amino acid oxidase, and catalase. Functions of peroxisomes: hydrogen peroxide metabolism, fatty acid oxidation, lipid biosynthesis. Mitochondria, that are known as the powerhouse of the cell. It has inner membrane, internal membrane space, matrix, outer membrane. It also contains its own DNA, and it has a ATP generation mechanism in it that are using F0 F1 ATPase to produce it. Some of the major regions of the mitochondria include outer membrane. This outer portion includes protein called porins, which form channels that allow protein to cross. Intermembrane space or area between inner and outer membrane. Inner membrane. The inner membrane is where the most ATP is created. Crystia, folds of the inner membrane increase the surface area. And the last one is the matrix space within the inner membrane. Mitochondria DNA is housed, which comes from the mother cell. Some of the surprising truth about mitochondria. Different cells types have different number of mitochondria. Cells with the higher demand of energy tend to have greater number of mitochondria. Although mitochondria are often drawn as oval-shaped organelles, they are consistently dividing. That means there is the creation of fusion and fission simultaneously. So in reality, these organelles are linked together in ever-changing networks. Also, in sperm cell, the mitochondria are spiraled in the mid path and provide energy for tail motion. What do mitochondria do? The main mitochondrial function: production of energy, cell death, heat production, and storage of the calcium. Physiological role of calcium: it is found in all the excitable cells, help in the regeneration of action potential that we are going to study in the upcoming chapters. Three best study roles of calcium are contraction of muscles, secretion, and gating. Mitochondrial disease. Mitochondrial diseases uh, causes, the first one is the cellular oxidative damage, neural signaling, decrease in the neural signaling, decrease in the neural plasticity, decrease in the transmitter release, increase of the ROS generation, increase of the MRC impairments, and X biogenetic failure. That means, what are the symptoms of the mitochondrial disease? Although symptoms of mitochondrial disease are vary greatly, they may include loss of muscle contraction and weakness, problems with vision and hearing, learning disabilities, heart, liver, or kidney disease, gastrointestinal problem, neurological problem includes dementia. Mitochondrial defects in central nervous system disorders. It may cause mitophagy, electrolyte imbalance, membrane leakage, apoptotic pathway activation. Mechanism implicated in the pathogenesis of neurodegenerative diseases. Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington diseases, as well as ischemia, stroke, or some of the mitochondrial defects in the central nervous system.